How's it going, guys? In this video, I'm going to be changing my clutch in my Shindawa weed whacker. Here's the model number. So the clutch is right inside here. So I have to remove this cover, remove this shaft, and all these other bolts. Well, that was a little too easy. Alright, almost there. Now, this one, this one, this one, this one, and the one in the back. Here's the clutch. Here's our broken piece. Now we gotta take this off. Okay, now's a good time to see if I ordered the correct part. The washers. Not sure. Yeah, look like that one. Number 5 millimeter. Well, that's tight. Maybe the L means loose. Let me try. I may need more leverage. Try this again. Wow. Alright, gotta bust out the big guns here. Oh, and it's raining. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yes, works. It's raining, I have to stop, sorry. Alright, hopefully the lighting's not too bad. Come out of the rain. Nope, not that one. See how this comes out. Okay. Ah, there's the washers. Gonna have to do it this way. Okay, righty tighty, lefty loosey. That should be it. Alright, put it back together. This part looks like it's fun. Whoops. Well, and here's another fun part. Just like that. Some dielectric juice. Yeah. All right. Alright guys, it works. Thanks for watching. Remember, if I can do it, so can you. Aloha.